How do I ensure Git doesn't ask me for my GitHub username and password? I am working with a repo on GitHub, and every time I try to push something, it asks for my GitHub username and password. I don't want it doing that. I tried the instructions on setting your email in Git, namely set up the Git variables github.user and github.token, but that didn't make any difference. I don't understand why this is happening.
You need to set up an SSH agent against which you only need to authenticate once. See this answer over at So for a how-to.
Had a similar problem today. I messed things up in my working copy, so I decided to rename the directory and clone my project again from GitHub. But after doing that, I had to enter my password to do any pull/push request, instead of entering the passphrase just once as I used to. That was because today I used the HTTPS protocol to clone the project. To check what protocol you're using, just run and look at the line starting with remote.origin.url. To switch protocols, the _repository _username and your _project should be replaced with the appropriate repository name and the owner of that repository. The username will be yours if you own the repository, or the repository owner's username otherwise.
If you are using HTTPS instead of SSH, you can follow this. Find your remote URL, remote.origin.url, with. Thanks to Sergio Morstabolini. Your remote URL will be like this: https://username at github.com/username, repo name. Git. Execute this command.
I prefer to use HTTPS. I find it easier and more secure than setting up the SSH keys. Using HTTPS, you can prevent Git from asking your username for GitHub remotes with the following. And you can at least reduce the frequency Git asks for your password with. Where 28,800 are 8 hours. I use this setup to enter my password only once, when I start my working day. After that, you will have these entries inside your /.gitconfig. Source. This URL. This URL.